If every single time you start something, you find yourself wishing for an outcome instead of being able to take action, then you need to watch this video because you are just wishing for an opportunity. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to stop just wishing for opportunities and take control of the action and of your own opportunities. All right, so here's the thing. I've noticed that there's a lot of people that are oftentimes just wishing that things will go the way they want, and they're not realizing that they are oftentimes leaving the control of their own opportunities to other people. I'll give you an example. Let's say you're working on a movie. You want to make a movie happen, and then you're just wishing for someone to invest in your movie. And you're like, oh my God, I hope I meet this person. I hope they're going to invest in my movie. I hope they're going to give me the money to make the movie happen. And you're just wishing for it. You're just wishful thinking, wishing to meet the right person at this event, wishing to just get connected to the right person, wishing that your friend introduced you to the right person. Always leaving all the action to other people and just waiting on the side and wishing for the opportunities to happen for yourself. If you're doing that, stop it. Here's what you should be doing. You should be taking control of that action. There's a really, really good saying that says that if you want to be a writer, write. That's it. So if you want to make a movie, just make the movie. Don't wait for other people to give you validation to make the movie happen. Don't just wait for money to come in for you to get started. Just get started. Get started with what you have. And then when people are going to see that you are making the effort to doing the thing that you want to do, that you're not just being hopeful or desperate, that you're actually doing the thing already without the need of anyone else, and then they realize that you don't even need them, this is when all the things come to you. My dad loved to say that luck comes to prepared's mind. So because once you've put the effort, once you've got prepared and you're ready, this is when the luck will happen. This is when the opportunities will start showing. So stop being wishful of things to happen. Take action. Take control of the action. You can only focus on what you can control. You cannot be just wishing for expectation that you have no control over, because guess what? Expectation often leads to disappointment, because when you have expectation and then you're just hoping for other people to bring you your opportunities, you have no control over it, and then that will just lead to disappointment, and oftentimes you might not even reach those goals because you're just wishful for other people to make your thing happen. So stop that right away and try to be more in control of the action. If you want to do something, just get started with whatever means you have. Be creative, bootstrap it, do everything you can to get started on the thing you want to get started on. And over time, well, the opportunities will show up and it will happen. And also, people like to invest in people that already have the experience. So if you want to make a movie and just hoping for people to invest on you all the time, the first thing they're going to ask you is that, what movie have you made? What have you tried to do without the money? Because if they know what you can do without fun, then they'll be able to imagine the potential, what you'll be able to do once you get the fun. So that's thing I apply to making movies, to doing everything like a startup or anything else of the sort. And for example, the great thing that I like about YouTube is that it gives you control of kind of your destiny. You're not relying on other people to create your content. There's a lot of YouTubers that have started similar shows that you've seen elsewhere. For example, there's that lady that has a chicken soup channel. It's kind of like the late night show, but it's kind of like a modern version of the late night show that is working really well. Or those kids from New York, you know, your mom Ashley. It's kind of like a modern Friends, you know? So imagine if those kids were like, oh, we kind of want to make our own Friends, and they just started making the content themselves and putting it online. Now they're just in control of their own, destiny. They created opportunities for themselves. So that's what you want to do. You want to be able to be in a position where you create the opportunities for yourself rather than being wishful and wishing for others to make those things happen for you. So this is what I wanted to share in today's video. It's a very short one, but I think I've shared my message. I don't want to just keep talking and rambling about the same topic. I think you guys get the point now. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit a big like button, because that really, really helps the channel. And make sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Guys, I make a video about how to stay focused. If you are a multi-talented person, someone with multiple passion, and you don't really know how to stay focused, you have too many interests, you're good at too many things, you don't know where to focus on, you should watch this. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace.